If your Mac screen feels too small for everything you're working on, you don't need an external monitor. You can just change the resolution and get more space instantly. So simply click on your Apple logo in left upper corner area and here open System Settings. Now you want to navigate to Displays, open it. By default, Apple sets the resolution to what they call default, which prioritizes sharpness over space. Simply click on more space and your screen will fit more content. Everything gets a bit smaller, but you get significantly more room for windows, toolbars, and panels. If you want even more control, hold down the Option key while clicking on the resolution options. So press Option key on your keyboard and click, for example, on Default. This unlocks all available resolutions so you can pick the exact one you want. You can, for example, enable Show All Resolutions, and you can simply change it and get even more space. The highest resolution on your Mac is the top option, and my icons are small now, and now my screen feels bigger. If you have any questions, leave a comment and make sure to subscribe, and see you next time.